Together we situation also on those days we felt our system is competing with other system in sports. So some fellows who are enthusiasts in sports, they also selected. So then we are noticed for that and we are identified, and because of that we got prizes also. So it is a clear picture of the system where it is located. Here we have to go and perform, and again move in, and where we got idea also. So many days, after so many days we selected for say university player or that belong to that system player. It is a so many days we celebrated, and after that we forgot, but it is a fresh memory, like same as like those days we celebrated, because I remember that what is situation at that time, same situation now also, because we are identified, we got prizes, and we are selected, and we celebrated, and further continued to be celebrations in the celebrations. So that is the one system. We together can achieve like atmosphere. So we learned that at that time. That memory is fresh. We together means we are along with that activity. So if identified, specified, and notified, and belongs to one area, one university, one academic system, one system, same atmosphere or climate, other side of other systems also notified. There we went to select perform another system. There we performed, we played and win after that. So this activity, it is fresh at that time. Now also is a in our thoughts, it is a fresh activity. Not like we learn so many words. Not like we learn how to write poems, poetry, paintings. We learned overall activity, stage activity. It is not like that. It is not a entertainment thing. It is a notified thing. So it will be further in the continuation, not only for others, but also who had those memories very often on and off, also identified, notified, and this activity further continuation of that activity we know. So is it possible or not? So together we is a one of the notable thing. It is only possible in sports. So only we'll make a promise. It applies to only sports. If not possible, the further it is a continuation in that all the I told before also all the system has same activities. Together we once notified as together we, and it will be continued. Some memories are very fresh like, so again we notified ourselves, and later we continue to remember it, celebrate it. Coinciding of this activity again refreshes our ideas or thoughts. So who are enthusiastic is to know academic is, educational is. They got prizes also. They are also notified. They are individual. Education is an individual thing. If at all it is notified, it's along with that person only. Propagate like anything. There, there should be not compelling act or not necessarily a compelling at other acts. Wise people knows about what is academic system. A complete graduation or matriculation is academic system. It is different. This one is different. But together we learning, participating in activities, sports, notified, got prizes. So it is a not possible. So remembrance of those days completely not possible. It, it takes time. It consumes time. It needs time. The coinciding ideas, I am there. So definitely it will be the first priority supervision and control commanding system, that much allowed, because it is sports, cultural activities, that much allowed. So I came to know that only sportiness is on the days we learn. For that we notified. Further, notification of certain activities, we concentrated on that. Prizes